So you probably accidentally enabled this feature when you first set up your Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard, and now you notice everything you're typing or searching online, it's kind of being related to what you've been typing on your keyboard. So to avoid all this, and you don't want Microsoft to share data for ads, personalization enables sharing services, device, and app usage data with other Microsoft services here. If you just want to kind of get some privacy in your life with that keyboard, here's where you can go to disable this feature. So let's say you're about to start typing and your keyboard pops up like this here. You want to tap on the three dots here at the top right, and this is going to take you to the settings section right here. Once in the settings section, I want you to go to where it says privacy over here. You'll see all these options, and one of them would be share data for ads personalization. And you might have turned this on when you were setting up your keyboard. There were so many prompts and you just wanted to get started. And now you realize that you want to turn it off. You want to come here and disable that. That's going to help reduce your tracking of what you're doing on your keyboard and connection to other Microsoft services that you might be signed in to, like I said.